Alright guys, so for anyone doing a 5-speed swap that doesn't want to splice in the neutral safety switch, this is what you have to do. It's very simple. It's moving around some wires. So you're going to start by disconnecting this wire. Sorry, it's hard to see. This wire right here, the green wire with a black stripe, which is connected to this blue wire with a red stripe. Disconnect those two. Next, there's a black wire with a yellow stripe connected to a black wire with a yellow stripe. Where's the other side? Here you go. These two are connected. Disconnect. And then on the ignition switch, if you see, there's this little red little piece up there. On the back end of it, on this side, down here, there's a wire that goes to it, this black wire right here. So now you're going to take the wire that was plugged in here, the black with the yellow stripe, and you're going to plug it in, it's hard to see, to the ignition switch where you unplugged the black wire, which is right there. Over here, disconnect the reverse light plug in your new one from your 5-speed into there, and you're done. Also, if you have cruise control, you want it to work properly, on the auto harness, this is plugged into the cruise control and it just deletes on itself, so it's always operational. If you left this plugged in here and you turn cruise control on and hit the clutch, normally this would disengage when the clutch is pressed, but if you don't unplug this and then plug this into the clutch, the switch on the clutch pedal, you're just gonna like redline the motor. So just disconnect this, connect it to your clutch pedal switch, you're good to go. It's not necessarily required if you don't have a clutch pedal switch, you don't have cruise control doesn't work, whatever it may be, you don't have to worry about this. But if you do want it operating properly, just connect that to the switch on the clutch pedal and you're done. And that's it. I want to give a shout out to David over at Beamer Buddies that gave me this info, and really appreciate it. It's online as well. It's kind of a little bit difficult to find, and the pictures are a little hard to see now because they're not linked properly, but hopefully this helps someone out there. Thanks again.